Hello everyone, I'm Toast Kid, that's Buff Pro, and it's your favorite time once again. That's right, to catch a predator.
Bruh.
And now that I've said it's your favorite time, I kind of regret it. And I'm like, no, it's like the worst time.
There
ever.
you
Like,
go.
this is-
There you
God,
go.
The fact that they have to make these things. Like, yeah, they get it.
Even the listeners like, what did he say?
Please. But before we get to that, just realize.
You're looking at your fish, buddy.
You're watching it. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here as well.
I
just
gotcha.
can't do it. I can't
Oh,
stick to
I
it.
gotcha.
I know we're the best. We're the best. Like and subscribe, do all that cool stuff because it helps a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. You on the bed now?
Hey, someone's
Yep.
blowing your phone up right
Yeah.
now. You all right?
Yeah.
It's your bed? Yeah.
Yes.
You gonna get me? Yeah. You get to see your fish?
So,
Yeah.
You
Get to see all them? Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Shut down for the night. Unbeknownst to us, however, there
You're like
is
a rock.
man heading to our house. Oh my God.
Why are you mad at me, huh?
Wow, we shut down.
Why'd you come up over here all crunk, huh?
Nobody's showing up. I guess we're done. He's out there just sweating.
Come on my way quick.
Big old wizard.
This is a
I need to get him a t-shirt that says I'm a wizard.
300